Fritatine di pasta, as good as the ones from the rotisserie. Come on, let's make them together.
È saporita assai.
Let's start by heating a drizzle of olive oil in a pan, add a clove of garlic, and we'll brown the cubes of cooked ham and peas. Add a little salt, and let those cook for a couple of minutes. This is the most classic filling, but there are variants, such as ragu, eggplant parmesan, but of course make your favorite. Take out the garlic and the filling is ready. Let's set it aside. Now, let's cook the pasta. Only use bucatini for this recipe. We'll drain them 2 to 3 minutes before they finish cooking. And we'll let them cool for a few minutes. And now, I will give them a coarse chop. Now don't have a heart attack because I am cutting long pasta, because this recipe is prepared like this. At this point, we are going to top the bucatini with the bechamel that I prepared previously, and I'll just stir it up a little. And throw them in. We'll also add in the peas and the ham, a bit of cheese, which will definitely taste good, and mix that right up. Let's move this big boy over here onto a very large sheet of parchment paper. And at this point, you can decide either to roll out the dough completely and cut it out with a dough mold, or do something that, in my opinion, is even more brilliant. Using the parchment paper, we'll start to shape it to obtain a very large roll. This way, after we let it rest, it will be easier to cut and obtain precise slices. If we want to be really precise, we'll make a 50-centimeter roll so that we will then have exactly 15 equal fritters. Close up the roll and let it firm up in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. After it has finished resting, we can cut our roll into discs, 3 centimeters wide. Let's prepare the batter. Pour the flour into a bowl and then stir while slowly adding water. This way, we'll prevent any lumps. Historically, eggs were not used for breading and frying. A batter of water and flour like this was used. It's very simple and inexpensive. To get perfect fritters, shape the dough in your hands and make sure you make a nice, round disc shape, like this one. Plop it in the batter and use 2 forks to help drain the excess, and then throw it in the breadcrumbs. And the first one's ready. See how easy it was? And like that, it's time to fry. Fry 2 to 3 pieces in oil heated to 170 to 180 degrees. No more, or they'll stick together. Just a few minutes to brown them up and drain onto fry paper. And my fritatine di pasta napoletane are ready. I can't wait to taste them.
È saporita assai.
Really, really tasty.